Goddamn right. I got a really big team, and we need some really big rings. You feel me?
Is that what we need?
Huh?
Is that what we need?
That's what we need, man. Championship shit, man. Straight drop Monopoly, man. If you ain't don't feel what we doing, man, you can put your egg in your sock and beat it, my nigga. And I ain't gonna repeat it, cause you should have heard me the first motherfucking time, nigga. When I talk, you listen, motherfucker. And if I'm listening, your bitch ass better not talk. Straight like that, nigga.
Look at him.
Yeah, nigga. This ain't Michael Jackson, my nigga. It's Desmond Jackson, nigga. Slim Montana, aka Kid Drop. Cause this kid dropped dick in your bitch.
There you go.
Square business. There you go. There he is. And now he gone. On the way to your hoe. Straight like that, man.
What tune is going over here?
Say, man, you know, straight propane, straight pressure getting rolled up. Man.
Oh, god damn, you rolling up that pressure?
Man, he rolling up
He
that
rolling up that 93. Check me out. That nigga just put some. I'm so fucked up already. I forgot I had some motherfucking some 93 to roll up too. And I brung us a little something.
There you go. Damn.
I forgot I even had this on me.
Told me he was the trapper of the year.
But this right here ain't for. I got some for sale if y'all want to buy some. But this right here is for personal use.
Oh.
But if you want them paints, I got them paints for your boys, man.
Catch up.
Catch up.
Like French fries.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.